Now let's talk about creating new post on your brand new WordPress site. Now there are two ways to do it. One is on this new option, you can go to post, create a post, or in the post section, you can click on the new add new. You will be presented with an editing screen as you can see, and this is similar to all the editing tools that you might be familiar with like Notepad++ or MS Word itself. Secondly, you can start entering the actual content, like there is the add title. Let's add a title. Start. Let's say this is a demo post. Now here you can see publish. If I click on it, it will publish this particular post right away. Or I can first save a draft. Let's say if I want to change something later. And in the document section, as you can see, we have multiple options. In the publish one, we have immediately, or we can schedule the post to be published later on by itself. We have permalink. This will be the link of your title. And in the category section, I have not added a new category, or I can add a category right now. Now this we can select only one category or multiple category for our post. In the featured image section, you can add a feature image for this post that you're going to publish. For now, let's just one more thing. We can also preview the post before publishing it. Preview has multiple options. Let's say desktop only for now. On the tablet one, we can see how it looks, or on the mobile. Now let's just go on and publish this. Visibility, publish immediately, and add tags. We are not going to add any tags right now, but if you want, let's say this article would be about Centomas, act like this. You can have visibility, different visibilities to it. For now, let's publish. Now we can view the post. This is going to be where anyone can find the post online. So that's it for creating and publishing a post on WordPress.